Here we are, we're gonna take a trip down south with a salad called Curtido from El Salvador. Come back for my Chipotle shrimp and scallop pizza. That'll leave you wanting more. Woo! Keep it paleo. All right, so truth be told, pizza might be kind of a stretch, but follow along. I've got the half the shaft of a butternut squash that I roasted off in the oven, part of my weekly prep. If you need to know how to do that, search weekly veggie prep on the site and you'll see. We'll also link that here in the article below. But I'm going to peel the skin off there. Let's see if we can get a cleaner one here. Pretty clean, needs a little help there. And then I'm just gonna mash that. Got a preheated pan, and then here. My goal is just to heat this up, you guys. That's all. You can do this in the microwave if you want. If you roast it fresh, that'll work too. Take it straight out of the oven, kind of mash it up, and follow along. All right, now we talked about this salad from El Salvador. They have pupusas down there. And the kind of the garnish that they serve the pupusa with is called Curtido. And there's a song, Con curtido y salsa de tomate. Right? I can sing the whole thing for you, but we don't have time for that. So what it basically is like a cabbage. It's like a slaw with vinegar and carrots, cabbage, a little oregano. I'm just gonna julienne a little cabbage here. And add that to about a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next up is a carrot. I'm gonna peel one carrot. Okay, and then I've got this fancy kind of shredding type peeler. Just a quick way to julienne these guys, or this guy. All right. Carrots lined up. There. Get those in the bowl. What's up next? Go with some onion. Something like that. How many of these? We'll go with 4 radishes. I love radishes. Important to cut that bottom's kind of stringy root end off, but the top is fine. All right, radishes in the bowl. Looking good. Nice color, good flavor, all healthy stuff, right? Kind of some low glycemic veggies in here. Maybe the exception of the carrots. We're looking like that so far. Checking back in. All right. I'm calling that hot. So we're gonna set this aside, bring in a cast iron skillet, and get that baby warming up. Back to the salad. This isn't something you'd find in Curtido necessarily, but if you were gonna make the Curtido of all Curtidos, this might be how you do it. And then for the dressing on this, we're going with vinegar, salt. Vinegar and salt, easy guys, easy stuff. You can see our pan's heating up here. Give it some olive oil and we'll bring this into play. I got 6 shrimp and a handful of bay scallops. I'm gonna use my knife here to cut these in half, this way. So we got our shrimp and scallops, gonna give them a little salt. And then in the pan. Okay, so they're in the pan. These guys won't take long. Looking for that nice sear. And then we've got our chipotle. Be careful with this stuff. As soon as that hits the pan, it's gonna maybe punch you right in the mouth, so be careful with that. Cut the heat. It's time to plate. So as you can see, it might be a bit of a stretch to call it a pizza, but we've got our butternut crust, some spicy, smoky seafood on the next layer, and then a beautiful salad. influenced by Curtido of El Salvador. Have fun in the kitchen, you guys. It's easy to eat clean when you eat stuff like this. I appreciate you guys following along. And as always, I'm here to help you keep it paleo.